Welcome to Global City Guide. A state of many contrasts, North Carolina is home to beaches, forests, and mountains, with conservative towns and liberal-leaning cities tucked away amidst them. With epic outdoor activities and communities to explore, and of course old-time Southern charm, the Tar Heel State is a fascinating place to visit. While its shoreline is home to lots of barrier islands, the Piedmont region is made up of rolling hills and fertile farms. In the west are the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains, which boast the highest peaks east of the Mississippi. Here's a look at the best places to visit in North Carolina. 1. Chimney Rock State Park. Chimney Rock State Park, located approximately 25 miles from the town of Asheville, boasts miles of hiking trails and the beautiful 400-foot Hickory Knot Falls. Of course, the most famous destination in this state park is the huge monolith known as Chimney Rock, which boasts amazing views of its surroundings. Visitors can either take the 26-story elevator or climb 500 steps to reach the top of Chimney. 2. Raleigh. With a big city feel and plenty of southern charm, Raleigh continues to grow in stature and popularity. Visitors can make the most of modern amenities while never being too far from nature. As the capital of North Carolina, Raleigh is home to some of the state's best museums and galleries. The cultural experiences, along with sporting events and local markets within the downtown core, mean there's plenty of things to do in Raleigh. However, Raleigh refuses to overgrow into surrounding natural areas, leading to trails, parks, and an abundance of outdoor adventures. 3. Hanging Rock State Park. This lovely park, located close to the Winston-Salem area, offers visitors over 18 miles of trails that range from easy to difficult, and a lake that is perfect for boating, fishing, and swimming. It is famous for its stunning quartzite formations and ridges, such as the Devil's Chimney and the eponymous Hanging Rock. The park is also home to a number of pretty waterfalls. Hanging Rock State Park has 10 cabins as well as a tent and trailer campground available for visitors who want to stay in the park. 4. Old Salem. Old Salem is a living museum, a recreation of what life was like in the Winston-Salem area of North Carolina during the 18th and 19th centuries. Through interaction with Old Salem's reenactors and by strolling the streets of this national historic landmark, visitors can see and experience firsthand the culture and various trades of the Moravian settlers who lived in this area. Guests to Old Salem, for example, can watch shoemakers, gunsmiths, and tailors go about performing their respective services or making their particular wares. 5. Asheville. The town of Asheville, set in the beautiful Blue Ridge foothills, enjoys a reputation for being a vibrant, artsy community. Its town center features a number of boutiques that showcase local creations as well as bars and great places to eat. Strolling musicians and street performers only add to Asheville's overall creative vibe. The city is also located very close to the world-famous Biltmore Estate. Built between 1889 and 1895, this chateau-styled mansion is the largest privately owned house in the United States and attracts almost 1.5 million visitors each year. 6. Blue Ridge Parkway. The Blue Ridge Parkway is considered by many to be one of the most scenic roads in the United States. It runs for 469 miles from the Great Smoky Mountains National Park to Virginia's Shenandoah National Park. This winding stretch of asphalt, which has earned both the National Parkway and All-American Road designations, is especially gorgeous during the fall months when the surrounding hills turn shades of oranges, yellows, and reds. The parkway is also very pretty in the spring months, when the Carolina rhododendrons and dogwoods are in bloom. 7. Charlotte. The largest city in North Carolina, cosmopolitan Charlotte, can be found in the south center of the state, just a stone's throw away from South Carolina. It has a lot to offer visitors, especially those who love motorsports. The Queen City is home to Carowinds, the largest man-made whitewater park, the U.S. National Whitewater Center, and a family-friendly discovery place, which combines a science museum with an aquarium. This city is also where visitors can find the NASCAR Hall of Fame and Charlotte Motor Speedway. 8. Wilmington. The Wilmington area is home to some of North Carolina's most popular beaches, Carolina, Cure, and Wrightsville beaches. This historic port city is also a family-friendly destination. Its North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher was named by the Travel Channel as one of the best in the United States. Visitors can also enjoy taking leisurely strolls along Wilmington's Riverwalk, which runs alongside the Cape Fear River. There are a number of mansions and plantations in the area, including Poplar Grove Plantation, the oldest peanut plantation in the United States, and the antebellum Bellamy Mansion. 9. Great Smoky Mountains. This national park is a world of beautiful nature. Think verdant forests as far as the eye can see, glistening waterfalls, and undulating mountain peaks. The forests themselves come alive in springtime with a rainbow of wildflowers blazing between the trees. Autumn brings the famous fall foliage for a sea of auburn, and winter is all about snow. Dubbed the Smokies because of the misty mountaintops, exploring this national park is like stepping into the past. There are still remote mountain communities who call this region home. It's a great spot to truly unwind and leave the modern world behind. 10. Outer Banks. The Outer Banks is a string of barrier islands that hug the North Carolina coastline. The islands are a popular destination for vacationers seeking a break from the summer heat. The northern end of the Outer Banks is famous for the wild horses that still wander its dunes. The middle section is home to the towns of Nag's Head and Kitty Hawk on Bodie Island, where travelers can find the Wright Brothers National Memorial. Roanoke Island, west of Bodie Island, was once home to the Lost Colony, whose inhabitants disappeared without a trace in the 1580s. Farther south lies the beautiful and relatively wild Cape Hatteras National Seashore. Whether you're seeking relaxation on pristine beaches, adventure in the great outdoors, or a journey through history, the Outer Banks offers a truly unforgettable experience for all who visit.